Here's the other side of the Waterworks in Philadelphia. It reminds me of Ilog Pasig in the Philippines. It's beautiful here. This event venue is so nice. It's like it's all in tent, but it's sturdy. Oh, I don't think I could climb up there. That's a lot of climbing. What is arch and stand? Arch and standpipe. William Rush, America's first sculptor. Let's try it. Alright, we're gonna go up there. It's a little bit of an incline, but it's a nice walk. Nice nature walk. And that's where we were. That's where the Waterworks is. Whew. Alright, how long is the incline? Alright, almost there. It's a short incline. Nice walk. This is what we climb up here for. Mercury Pavilion, 2007, restored with the generous support from the William Rush Mercury. So this is the sculpture, I guess. Beautiful up here though. But I think we need a little breather. (1838), and this is it now. Oh wow. I like 1838 better.
Me too.
Right? 1838 looks nicer with the water, looks clean.
I agree.
Or maybe because this is just a drawing and this one is actual picture.
Yes, it's got the graffiti and
Yeah, they graffitied it. 1815 to 1909, the Fairmont Waterworks served Philadelphia by supplying drinking water. Oh, it comes from the, how do you pronounce
you
that?
see everybody going
Schuylkill River.
in canoes.
Yeah, there they are. Wow, nice. That's a nice one to try. But you know they do that in Lake Mead
Okay.
in Las Vegas. I'd like to try it there. They pronounce it as Schuylkill River. Schuylkill River. Right there. And it used to be, up to 1909, the Fairmont Waterworks served Philadelphia by supplying drinking water from the Schuylkill River to reservoirs once located behind it. Oh, so this is where the water used to come from through 1909. So it makes sense that the water doesn't come from here anymore, I guess. But it's a beautiful view from up here. It's so nice and quiet. It's a beautiful view. Going back to this building where we started earlier, because we're gonna take this. It's the Robbie and Bruce Toll Terrace. It's a museum inside, and we're gonna take this and we're gonna walk around here to go to the Rocky Steps, where Rocky Balboa did the movie there. You see Sylvester Stallone practicing in that movie, The Rocky. Let's go there and walk. So in front of this museum is the Rocky Steps. So we went from the back and I'm seeing this beautiful skyline here.
This is actually a really nice view of the skyline.
And that's where
Oh
we
yeah,
came
that's right.
from.
There's more on that side.
We came from there. Oh, it's so timely. I'm wearing my Philippine flag. No, not Philippine flag. American flag. Sorry, guys. I'm wearing my American flag. And we're here in Philadelphia, filled with a lot of U.S. history. Beautiful building. Look at that. Are those lights or are they flowers? Never seen this tree with those flowers. Looks pretty. So I guess it's better to do it this way. You come all the way from up here and then you go down the rocky steps. Because it's harder to climb up the stairs than to go down. So it's better to go from the back of the building and then go around. And then you take the rocky steps from here if you've got problems climbing upstairs. So Momentum 1776, Erie Perennials 1883, 776 1883. It is beautiful up here. Anthony 1745 1796. Beautiful. May 18 to September 18. They have an art festival here, I guess. It's a part of the Rocky Steps too. It just makes sense to film the movie here. There's a lot of inclines and stairs to film the Rocky here. And the stairs where Rocky Balboa is doing all his running up and down. Right there. You can't really see it in its entirety from up here. Presented to the city of Philadelphia by A. Atwater Kent Jr. Commemoration of 115th anniversary of the signing of the Constitution of the United States. Independence Hall on September 17, 1787. The American flag. Yeah, that's Rocky Balboa. That's Rocky.
Wait, let's get a group. Wait, let's get a group.
Climbing the rocky steps. I don't think she's gonna make it up there, but she's trying. She gave up already. She gave up already. She didn't do it all the way. It's fine now. You don't have to. You tried. It's okay. We'll go around the back where it's easier. And then somewhere here we're gonna see Rocky Balboa's. We'll see Rocky Balboa's statue somewhere here. If it's still here, we'll do that next. They have Pink's hot dogs here from LA, but it's Pink's cold treats, not the hot dog place. And they also have Carnival Foods. Beautiful place. It's hot right now, but it's fine. It's kind of a little bit of windy, but it's kind of humid. But it's a beautiful day. So over here, to the left of Rocky Steps, is the statue of Rocky Balboa. Right there. Let's get some picture over there. See, we're gonna try the water ice, which is famous here in Philadelphia. $5 and $8. They got different kinds of flavor: kiwi, strawberry, mango, lemon, cherry, and pineapple. I've never had it before, so let's try it. So they've got Pink's instead of Pink's hot dogs in LA. I thought it was Pink's hot dogs, but it's not. It's got cold treats. Pretzels. Oh, that's what it is.
Yes, please.
It's like scramble. It's like scramble in the Philippines. What flavor?
Ano?
What flavor?
It's good with pretzel.
What's the flavor?
Cherry.
Cherry,
Hindi ko kumagat. Nay, iwain mo na lang.
pretzels, and cherry flavor.
naman ako kanina.
Ice water.
Eat it together.
Not too bad of a line to go and get a picture with Rocky Balboa's statue right here in Philadelphia. Not too bad. Here, we're already waiting in line.